Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download offline maps in Apple Maps. So first of all, your device must be connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile cellular internet to do this, of course, but when you will need to use this offline, this will definitely work. So you're going to open up your Apple Maps, and after this, you're going to choose your profile button right here, and right here you can see offline maps, so just click on that. After that, you're gonna click download new map. You're gonna write down for example, let's choose this one, and as you can see, you can actually make it smaller, and the download size, as you can see, is 247 megabytes, and you're gonna click download. And after this, map will be downloaded, and you can actually use it. And yeah, offline. So this is actually how you use the offline maps on Apple Maps. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.